anything comes up and you need my help.
I will. Take care, Pony.
Will do.
My entire life, for my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen!
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Matt, you're here.
Be soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have... Major, let's go! You're on!
I'll give you 3.
1, 2, 3. A winner! The roster.
This fast in here. I'm gonna blow a gasket.
No, I wanted to give the folks a little sizzle.
Sizzle?
And am I sure I don't have a crew chief? No, I'm not.
Well, this has been a treat. I guess I'll just be...
I hereby dub thee Sir Toad.
You just gave up the Piston Cup. You know that?
It's crumpled.
I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Is he? Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you breathing?
Mama ain't seen you that low in years. I haven't seen a road like this in...
Fresh fertilizer on a field of dying grass.
Oye, Wingo, otro carril, ahí va. Ahí va de regreso.
Kuning cukup, tapi tidak banyak.
Give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man, now I've got dirt in my...
Morning, champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive, thank you.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya es suficiente. Y fuera.
I'm about to commit a moving violation!
All right. Looks like we got some work to do.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
He's trying to be a hero, huh? Well, what do you think of this? Yeah, that's...
Right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad.
McQueen and Selamat, part beneath the cape. K-I-S-S.
Tidak mungkin aku bisa lewat.
Neem nou een slokje water. Die hik en zo.
Just blamed it on me.
Electric cars don't use oil, you squid.
Then you're faking. You Francesco brought to a screeching halt.
Thank you, McQueen is the first.
You gotta stop at the Trees of Mystery. It'll blow your mind, man.
Oh yeah, we're going to see all the
That must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it because I didn't do it.